In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade in NinjaTrader 8. By the end, you'll confidently place, adjust, and exit trades directly from a chart using NinjaTrader, and you'll understand when to use the Super DOM and the basic entry window. First, enable NinjaTrader. On your chart window, move to the top toolbar and click the NinjaTrader icon. It looks like a small pencil over a chart. When it's on, the NinjaTrader panel appears alongside your chart, showing live position and order controls. Next, place orders from the chart. Move your cursor to the price scale on the right side of the chart. Hover at the exact price level where you want the order. Click once on the price scale to place a buy or sell limit or a stop order, depending on where you click relative to current price. You'll see an order line appear on the chart with a label confirming the order type and price. If you need to place multiple orders, repeat the same click action at the desired levels. Watch for the colored lines and labels so you always know what's working and where it sits in the market. Now modify your working orders directly on the chart. Click the order line to select it, then click and drag it up or down to the new price level. Release the mouse to drop it in place. The order updates instantly to the new price, and the label will reflect the change. If you accidentally drag to the wrong level, just click and drag again to correct it. This on-chart adjustment is the fastest way to fine-tune your entries, stops, and targets without opening a separate dialog. From here, manage your position using the NinjaTrader panel. So to close your trade, click the Close button. This exits your current position quickly, so use it when you're ready to be out of the market. If you want to flip your direction in one move, click Reverse. Reverse closes your current position and immediately opens one of the same size in the opposite direction. Because reverse happens fast, make sure you intend to switch sides before clicking. If you see your position indicator change in the panel and on the chart, the action is complete. At this point, you've seen the core, recommended workflow for trading in NinjaTrader 8 with NinjaTrader. Enable the panel, click the price scale to place orders, drag to modify, and use close or reverse to manage exits and flips. This method keeps everything visible on the chart so you can act quickly and avoid extra windows. Super DOM, also known as depth of market, is another tool you can use. It provides a vertical price ladder for fast, click-based execution and shows available liquidity at each price level. This is especially useful for scalping or when you need to enter and exit rapidly with precise price control. The ladder view makes it easy to see price levels and interact with them directly. Basic entry is a dedicated order entry window for manual input. It lets you choose the instrument, set the order type, and enter your quantity without relying on the chart or ladder. If you prefer a straightforward form for submitting orders, basic entry gives you a clean, focused place to do that. Once that's done, you now know how to trade in NinjaTrader 8 using NinjaTrader, and you understand what the Super DOM and basic entry windows are best used for. Your setup is complete and ready for effective order placement and management. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.